Yo, what's up guys, it's Nevada here, back again with another video. And in today's video we will be playing Hardpoint, which is a limited game mode in Call of Duty Mobile.
Hardpoint.
I'm sure most of you guys know what Hardpoint is, but if not, Hardpoint is a game mode. You will have to capture an area and protect it as long as you can so you can gain points, and the first to 150 points wins. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I'll tune back in at the end of the video. Peace.
Hardpoint identified.
Grenade! Frag out!
Hostiles have the hardpoint. We lost the lead. Hardpoint is ours. We tied for the lead. We've taken the lead.
Changing mag!
Hardpoint contested. Keep fighting. Hardpoint contested. Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Hardpoint locked down. Capture the objective. Care package inbound.
Enemy contact.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified.
Cover me!
Friendly Molotov out. Hardpoint lost.
Changing
Deploy
mag!
inbound.
Cover me!
Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. UAV online.
Reloading. Reloading.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Hardpoint contested. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Hostiles have the hardpoint. UAV recon ready for deployment. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Frag!
Missile on standby.
Changing mag!
Hardpoint is ours. UAV online. SAM turret ready for deployment. Capture the objective. Friendly care package inbound.
mag.
Hardpoint contested.
Alright, so let me know down below, what do you think about this limited hardpoint mode? Should Call of Duty keep this mode in the game, or should they remove it from the game? Let me know all of that down below, and I do hope you guys enjoy this video, and remember to give it a like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you
Just another day.
and goodbye.
Good job.
Peace.